Hey there, Lanai fans. Roberto Lee here at Heritage Landing, and we are previewing this new construction home by Lanai. This is the Victoria floor plan, part of the executive line of homes you're going to find here at Heritage Landing. It is a 2-bedroom plus den, 1,850 square foot home with a 2-car side load garage. This home is going to be ready for you before the end of the year and ready for season. Let's run inside and take a look at the Victoria. So when we come in, notice you'll see the tile plank flooring here. To the right is going to be the access to your laundry space here. Notice you get a full-size washer and dryer and a utility sink. Access to the 2-car garage right there. Then you have your guest bedroom right here. Again, this is nice, no carpet here. So if you're a tile fan, this is the home for you. You got the bifold closets, and right off of this bedroom, you do have the guest bath here with the full-size shower, commode, and singular sink. Directly across from here is your den. It is a true den, so you do not have a closet. You do have the glass doors enclosing. I have seen people turn this into a 3rd bedroom by adding some furniture to it. And then this leads us out into the great room area here, where you have your dedicated dining space off the kitchen, your great room area, and then you've got this nice corner kitchen here overlooking all your great room spaces. You're going to get a full set of appliances here, stainless steel, wall oven and microwave. Really nice open concept, makes the home feel a lot bigger than the 1,850 square foot that it is. Now directly off the great room is your master suite with access to your lanai space. You've got the 2 closets, his and hers here, going into the master bath with the dual sinks. You've got the soaking tub and nice walk-in style shower, as well as your enclosed water closet. Last but not least is the viewpoint on this home. So you're gonna get a really nice water lake view from here. Nice sized lanai. The Victoria has one of the largest lanais that you're going to find here. And over here, that door right there is a half bath. So you do have a pool bath right outside here. And this all overlooks your views of the lake and the veranda condos in the distance there. So if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.